Alright guys, so I am back with another video, and I know y'all looking like, what the hell? Alright, so clearly you know this video is going to be another hair video. So I'm going to be doing a video basically showing you guys how I refresh my crochets. Now, I usually don't wear my crochet hair for more than 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but I'm feeling a little lazy this week. I mean, look at this. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. You can see the grays and everything. So this video is going to be all about how I refresh my crochet braids, and I take them from looking like this, oh, and change my shirt, to this. So check out the rest of this video so I can show you guys how I refresh my crochet braids and make them look all brand new. Check this out. These are the products I use. So I'm using this thing called Curl So Fresh. It's Miss Jessie's, but you don't have to use this. I would suggest using water with a little leave-in conditioner, water mixed with, I don't know, any of your favorite hair products, maybe even water with a little, I don't know, anything you like to put in your hair that makes it feel good or makes your scalp feel refreshed. Add it with some water in a spray bottle and spray. So this, I'm going to use a little bit of coconut oil, fresh from the grocery store. If you got some leftover hair, you can use that too. I'm going to show you what we're going to do with that. I'm using a little bit of pink moisturizer, y'all know. This is the old school thing right here. But again, you could use any type of leave-in conditioner you want. Some people, if you don't have extra hair, you might want to use a needle and thread. Of course, we have the scissors, baby toothbrush, you know, you can swoop them edges, and of course, my tried and true, got to be glued. Alright, so this is done. So the next you want to do is baby hairs. Now, what I do is hold this up to the back. Take my do-rag, of course. Hold this to the back. Sometimes I don't have my hair clips, but of course you can use clips. And you see all them rough edges? No. A little of this. And we gonna slick them. Baby hairs change everything.
Put her ass out, she can smoke a fat blunt. I like this song, I don't fuck with that one. I'm on acid, where you think I left from? 3 a.m. It goes on and on and on and on and on. We can make it last long. I can knock her, she know how to talk to. Waste time, maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time. Maybe we could waste time.
And then 1, 2, 3. Woo! To this. All right, guys. So, as you can see, I have fully refreshed my hair. I feel like a new woman. Yeah, and a little bit of makeup and shirt change kind of happened too. But the point is, that's how I refresh my braids. Now you can see the little baby hairs. I try to tell y'all, baby hairs change everything. All right, so I'm gonna do a quick rotation. Y'all can see I refreshed. Still got not a lot of frizz, but a little bit, because frizz make it look natural. You got this, rotate all the way to the back, and bam, there you go. Got a little glisten, All right, guys, so that's the end of this video. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. How do you refresh your crochet braids? Do you even keep them that long? Like, let me know. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. And let me know if you got any questions, concerns, whatever, and I will answer them. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. My hair, I bought it. Alexa, play 7 Rings by Ariana Grande.
Ariana Grande radio from Pandora.
Stop watching. My neck is fuzzy. Wait, big deposits. My gloss is popping. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just